Hello and welcome to our place in Sicily. It has been a minute and we still aren't done, but we're in the guest house and things aren't clean. I am literally just taking a break and said, I have not sent you guys anything in a while. This is our laundry closet. We don't have our laundry inside closet ready yet, so this is curtains hiding the laundry closet. We have done one load of wash. This is our beautiful, turn this on, main bath. The grout hasn't been washed off the walls yet, and we have some major flooding and unevenness problems, and the bidet was actually broken and they gave us the wrong top. But you know, this is the room with the most problems, but like, you're gonna see me now. Isn't that sweet? Still figuring it out. Haven't even taken a shower in here, but we have soap. This is Chuck. He's not gonna stay here, but he's here for now. And then into the kitchen studio. This is not what the kitchen studio will look like because this is basically all the stuff from my regular studio. We have a sewing machine and a serger and look what I bought. Yes. It is a bubblegum machine, but it's a bubblegum machine. Really, it's one of these. It's a machine that holds these. This one's way too big, but I got another one to test it because I have no idea what size it is. It's my temporary setup. Some things I've purchased on Catawiki. Some really beautiful little prints. Nothing is where it's supposed to go. My bright yellow chair. By the way, I put so much yellow in this room now. Yellow is one of the main colors. The distress my eyeballs get from how messy this looks is something else. This will eventually have a full desk built into the window, but it doesn't yet. So I could only reach this high. The other day I was too lazy to crawl underneath the desk, but I needed to block the sun off the back of my computer so I wouldn't be blinded. I think this piece of art I'm gonna hang up over my sink. Look at my beautiful marble. This is the first time I've ever owned marble. These things are all going on the wall up here because I have shelves I'm putting up, but I need the shelves cut and I need them delivered and I need Luca to help me hang them. These are our beautiful cabinets. You know what our beautiful cabinets don't have on them yet? Well, they don't have the handles on them yet because the handles are here on these two panels. And we're gonna stripe them with little washes of different colors that match our memory plates from restaurants from all over Italy that we're gonna put up here, but I don't know how many to put up. I have 14 unique ones and in what pattern, so I haven't gotten to that yet. Okay, another fun thing, this beautiful light with its yellow, which was one of the first things I picked out after I picked out my beautiful yellow stove. There's not a switch for this, so this is our night light, our daylight, our everything light. Also, I love this faucet. I think this was a Growy, and I substituted out this. So if anybody wants a black version of one of these, I have one. Yeah, so these, just a fun bit of information. My girls might know where these are from. These were glasses we used at our cheese store and I imported them. And I've picked up a couple other little things. These are our little espresso cups and some yellow plates and an asparagus plate, some things from Zara Home. And this is a traditional sort of Sicilian ceramic. He had a broken hand, so I got him for a deal and I glued his hand back on. There will be a big yellow mustard-made cabinet here. It's on its way. This table is not attached to the base yet. Another Catawiki find. The top is not, I was gonna say not perfect, it's not nice at all, but I think it's gonna be an exceptionally easy sand, so I'm gonna do that. But right now, you know, I've got kitchen towels on it. And I've seen so much bubble wrap in the last month, but this came so nicely packed that I kept it. By the way, I haven't used these yet, but I've done all my research, and these are supposedly the best way of hanging plates, so I don't have to use those little metal ones. So since we're sort of in earthquake territory, I want something that's really attached. This just came. Actually, this didn't come. This went to the butcher because the butcher is at the same address, but on a different Vittorio Emanuele. We're on Terzo, the third, and he's on the Secondo. So every once in a while, he gets things like my sink at the butcher shop. Some of these things are going to go into the yellow cabinet. But I had this is something I bought at the last minute in my last apartment in the US. But right now, it's serving for this. Cabinets are wide open because I get tired of opening and shutting them. This is our refrigerator, our freezer. And then in this one, see, I have to like pull and open because I don't have handles. This is going to be where our spice rack goes. Where's our spice rack? Right there. So it still needs to be done, which is totally okay because everybody got it so we could live here during the month of August while they were all on vacation. And so that's great. We have a light going here, a light going here, and a hood, or what they call here a capo, which is serving as the island in my kitchen, or really just annoying the pants off of me, except my pants are still on. They accidentally made this for a wider, what's this called? Dishwasher. But, lavastoviglie. Oh, and here's the cool thing, is there was extra space. When they realized it was the wrong space, they threw in this, which is interesting because I can't use it while that's up, but who knows? Maybe one day I'll figure out how. And we put in this little piece, and there's totally room for it here. So I'm actually glad of that accident. There are a number of accidents in this whole thing that have been wonderful. And let's see. I'm going to take you all the way back into the bedroom. First, I'm going to turn on the alcove light here. This light also does not turn on. So I don't have any light bulbs, or light bulb is only half screwed in because if I screw it in, it doesn't turn off. This is eventually going to have a platform and a bed, but for right now, it's going to be Matt's office. And we're going to have a door that slides through here eventually, because in there will be our closets. You'll see that in a second. This is the little like night light. So you could have a bed in here and somebody can stay and they can close the door and have this tiny little like tiny house room to themselves. And then this goes into our bedroom. And yes, the bed is sort of made, except we don't have our comforter here. And what looks like unmade is new pillowcases. But we don't have our blinds yet, and it's very bright here in the morning, and the bathroom is not done, but you know, this is our makeshift closet. It's totally organized because that's what we just put it up yesterday. Give us 3 days and we won't take you in here anymore. I love our little nightstands. We're still working on the charging cords and all that stuff. And well, that is it. So what I want to know in the comments is, do you forgive me for taking a little break? I'll have another video that doesn't move so fast later to explain sort of why we took a break. Look at this giant. Oh, okay. One more thing. Why we took a break. And I said it in a post. This thing is huge. This is from Tutto Torno Antiques. Hold on, I gotta move things out of the way. Everything is leaning on everything. This is my milk glass collection, my mason jar collection, because that's my last name. Some really cool glasses we bought at Brimfield while we were back. I love this little guy. I don't know, for me, he looks like a guy from the circus, just very circus happy-ish. Some scales. These are all our pieces of art. These are all the mirrors. Christmas stuff, other pieces. Yeah, all things we don't actually need here, but I feel better having it here. And I can slowly move it up. But isn't that such a big armadio? Oh, and you guys didn't really get a good look at my built-in bookshelf. So that used to be a doorway, like that one. We're waiting on our door to arrive. Actually, the door is ready. I can't wait for you to see it. I'm trying to lock this armadio, but I can't do it with my left hand. But we are going to have brass kick plates put on the bottom. And the brass kick plate guy was the only guy who didn't come through for me before Ferragosto. But I have too many books. I actually took a bunch of books off of here. All of the books did not fit before, but these are the books for all of the house. Like these guys here are just the books for my studio, and I've already taken a bunch of them out. And these books are all my cookbooks. And these are some of our coffee table books. But we needed to make room for the record player. But of course, the outlet for it is in here, which is great. But it doesn't work yet. So even if I did plug it in the wrong way, because we don't have the whole back there yet, I can't use it because it doesn't start. And we're waiting for new switches to come. We needed a different kind of switch, which is fine because we were figuring things out. This is what our cool switches look like, and they're dimmers. And this closet doesn't have its organization. It's just like halfway done. There needs to be a whole shelf that'll go all the way up to the top because it's so tight. And this is our love seat, which isn't the couch that's going to go here, but it's the couch that's going to stay here until I have room to order the couch that I have picked out a year ago. And now I'm going to go sit on there and read your comments because I want to know, are you going to forgive me for having abandoned you? I hope so. And until next time, ciao, ciao. Okay, let's see if I can remember how to stop.